Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, February 15th. Seeing some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. We did see a couple sprinkles in the pre-dawn hours earlier today. Only dropped about a trace of rain across the peninsula, and we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies, but with the south-southwesterly flow, seeing above average temperatures throughout the day today. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, did see a mild day across the region for mid-February. Most locations reporting temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Cool spots were Ocean City and near Pax that remained near 50 degrees. Lows this morning were also very mild for this time of year, with most locations in the mid to upper 40s. You can see that most spots this morning did pick up a trace of rain as we had that weak front move through the area, giving us just a little bit of sprinkles here and there, not enough to really accumulate anything more than a trace. As of 9 a.m., seeing temperatures approach 60 degrees for most locations, and we do anticipate temperatures to be close to 20 degrees above average as we go into this afternoon. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we do have southwesterly to west-southwesterly winds across the entire column, seeing winds fairly strong just above the surface at 40 knots, then remaining between about 40 to 45 knots all the way through 16,000 feet, and then increasing slightly to just above 55 knots as we get to that 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning just below 7,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we had that very weak front move across the area this morning, and then behind that front we see those winds shift more south-southwesterly, and that will continue throughout the day, becoming slightly gusty at times. There is a 30% chance or so of seeing some brief wind gusts to around 25 knots as we go towards the late morning hours into the early afternoon to see perhaps a brief wind advisory issued. But that south-southwesterly flow is going to continue to usher in a very warm air mass, especially for mid-February, with temperatures running 15 to 20 degrees above average. And then we will be getting another round of precipitation tonight into tomorrow as that front that's currently over the Ohio Valley continues to move eastward and impacts us this evening. Taking a look at our surface loop here, we did see those sprinkles there in the pre-dawn hours of this morning. Those have since weakened and moved offshore, and then we did see a little bit of a break in the cloudiness in the last few hours with some good sunshine. However, there is a decent band of some mid to upper level cloudiness about to move over the Delmarva, so we can anticipate that cloud cover to increase here, possibly seeing another break in the clouds as we go towards the mid to late afternoon hours, but we will be seeing that front impact the area later today, and that will bring us another chance of some showers after sunset, with another wave then riding along that front as it stalls out across the Carolinas, bringing us some more precipitation throughout tomorrow. So taking a look at our forecast charts for today, going to be seeing that front approach the area near sunset, and that could give us a chance of some isolated light showers as that moves across the area. That front is going to then stall out around southern Virginia or the Carolinas tomorrow. We are going to be seeing a little bit of break in the rain after that front passes tonight, between about midnight to 4 a.m. Still seeing a slight chance of some isolated showers, however. But then as we go into tomorrow morning, we are going to be seeing a weak low move along that front that's pretty much going to stall out across the Carolinas, and that's going to approach the area, giving us some scattered shower activity, mainly from the mid to late morning hours and throughout much of the afternoon. It is going to be a little bit chillier tomorrow as well, so could be seeing some sleet mix in with that rain here across Wallops. Not expecting any snow, as it does look like to be a warmer profile than has been shown, but you can't rule out a little bit of sleet mixing in with the rain at times as we go into tomorrow. And then that rain should move off as that low moves off east. It should be ending by sunset tomorrow, and then we'll be seeing a break as we go into Saturday night into Sunday morning. As we go into Sunday afternoon and evening, we're going to be seeing yet another weak wave right along that stationary front, and that's going to be giving us another round of some light scattered showers for late in the day Sunday into Sunday night, and possibly lingering through into early Monday morning as well. Taking a look at our short-term model here just to show how our precipitation is going to approach from the west. We are going to be seeing dry conditions throughout the day today, and we will see that front slowly approach as we go towards this evening. This is about 8 o'clock. We'll start to see some pop-up showers across the central and northern portions of the Delmarva with that frontal passage then between about 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. That's when we see our best chance of seeing just some very light, isolated showers with that front. And then we are going to be seeing still a chance of some scattered shower activity as that front starts to stall out, with those rain chances then increasing as we approach sunrise tomorrow, and still keeping pretty good rain chances throughout the day for Saturday here at Wallops. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing those south-southwesterly winds increase slightly late this morning and into early this afternoon at around 11 to 16 knots and gusty. Like I had said, there's going to be around a 30% chance or so of seeing some brief gusts around 25 knots, so seeing a slight chance of a brief wind advisory perhaps being issued early this afternoon. Those winds are going to weaken a little bit as we go towards the late afternoon hours to around 7 to 12 knots, and then behind that front, once we get into late this evening, those winds are going to shift northwesterly around 7 to 12 knots for much of the overnight hours. Seeing that precipitation chances start to ramp up as we get after 4 a.m. tomorrow. We are going to be seeing a very warm high today of around 64 degrees, and then as we go into our low tomorrow morning, we are going to be seeing a low near 40 degrees, and we are going to be seeing our high temperature tomorrow happen in the morning, it looks like. So temperatures will be in the mid to low 40s tomorrow morning, and then they are expected to drop throughout the day tomorrow as we go towards the late morning and afternoon. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, seeing a few layers of clouds out there this morning, some offshore at 3,000 feet, and then some mid-level decks near 10 and 12,000 feet in that broken cirrus deck. We'll continue to see those mid-level decks throughout the rest of the morning hours into this afternoon. After 4 p.m., we'll start to see some clouds near 6,000 feet start to slowly increase, then becoming 4,500 feet as that front approaches. As that front impacts the area, we're going to be seeing those ceilings perhaps drop down as low as around 2,500 feet if we get into any shower activity, otherwise remaining around 4,000 feet. After midnight, going to be seeing those clouds become overcast at around 8,000 feet, and then ceilings drop in once again to 2,500 feet in any shower activity, and then by mid-morning tomorrow seeing a few clouds of 1,500 scattered at 25 and overcast at 4,000 feet with some showers in the vicinity. For tomorrow, going to be cloudy throughout the day. We are going to be seeing those periods of light rain and perhaps some sleet at times. That high is going to happen early in the day with the high of 43, temperatures dropping throughout the day. And then Saturday night, going to be looking at mostly cloudy to overcast skies continue. It is going to be dry, however, with a low of 30. Sunday is going to be dry for the majority of the day. Still going to be cloudy, however, with that front in the vicinity, keeping that cloud cover up across the area. And then we'll have another weak wave riding along that stationary front late in the day Sunday. That'll give us another chance of some scattered light showers with a seasonable high of around 47. Taking a look at our extended outlook here, today is going to be the warmest day in the next 7 days by far with that high of 64. Then we'll start to see those rain showers happen mainly after about 10 p.m. here. It's going to be dreary tomorrow with those scattered showers about and that dropping temperature. And then Sunday and Monday are going to be fairly seasonable temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. Going to be seeing that second wave come in the early evening hours on Sunday and throughout the overnight hours and into early Monday morning. Then as we get into Monday late morning afternoon, things will start to dry out a bit, and then we'll see just a mostly cloudy and seasonable day on Tuesday with no rain expected. Then as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, still a little bit of a disagreement with the temperatures for Wednesday on the models. We are going to be having a fairly strong southern stream system move up across the mid-Atlantic coast, and that's going to be giving us some rain for pretty much all of Wednesday and Thursday, starting late Tuesday night. Still a little bit unclear what the temperatures are going to look like Tuesday night, so there is a slight chance we might see a bit of a wintry mix very briefly at the start of the system that's expected Wednesday into Thursday, but it does look like it's going to transition to all rain Wednesday, possibly even seeing some briefly moderate to heavy rain on Wednesday with this system, and then some shower chances do look to linger across the area for Thursday next week with a more mild high into the mid-50s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Tuesday at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great weekend.